So that's it. Leave good old Malvern for a new adventure ahead. Packed up, picked my sister up, and yeah, we're away. Stage one, stage one, stage one. Oh. See you later. Awesome. Thank you. Cheers. Love you all. See ya. Will do. So we're at the gate now. We've got about an hour to wait until we can board. Well, we've got half an hour to wait until we board, and then an hour until the plane actually leaves. So we're just having a little wander around. I ended up getting my computer out just because time got out and stuff, and ended up putting it back in. But now we fly to Germany, which is going to take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then to Bangkok. Nerves are chilling, man. The reason my nerves are chilling because the way you're supposed to make decisions and when you're supposed to worry about something is you worry before you make the decision. Made my decision, plenty of thought, done my worrying beforehand. Now I've made a decision and I'm just going to ride a wave. And the best thing about it is anything new from past this point is all going to be learning. So no matter what mistakes happen, no matter how bad the mistakes are, it's all new to me. So everything's going to be a learning curve. So this will be where maximum growth should be. Here we are. Nice. We're off the first plane. We've got a 4-hour wait. We've just gone in now. Figure out, I think my luggage is getting swapped over automatically. So I'm just going to double check with the desk. And then, so the Lufthansa help desk is actually shut. I don't know if we're going the right way or what, but I feel like we're going outside. At least we've got like 2-3 hours, so either way we should be pretty sound. Am I supposed to jump on one of these? No idea. I presume I'm supposed to jump on that thing. So on this thing, it says on the speaker that goes to B. So we shall find out. And I've looked at my app. It says my luggage has been transferred over. Hopefully. Otherwise we'll have no computer screen or any clothes or anything really. B. We're away. So we're looking for B45. Just gone through security. Apparently it's over there, like 3 minutes away. And we're here for like 2-3 hours. So maybe we sit somewhere, eat some food, do some computer work, but enjoy it, right?
Bringt Sie zu Terminal 1 bereit.
So, TV, got a quilt, a pillow. I just need to get comfortable.
pretty hungry. Food's coming, and then after that it's Bangkok for 3 hours. We'll eat food, have coffee, have some nicotine, and mostly do like, I don't know if we'll be awake over 24 hours, I presume so, and maybe go to sleep late afternoon, so maybe awake for like 30 hours. Pretty fucking wild, but sick journey. The breakfast? Yeah. Yeah, nice, thank you. Croissant. Yogurt. Nice. So this is for breakfast. Bangkok for 4 hours. Need some sleep. Thank you. So, Bangkok, now landed. Had a fair long flight. Well, the food was nice. We had 2 lots of food, which was actually quite good. I'm gonna get some coffee, some nicotine pouches, some sugar, some chocolate, and stay awake for another 6 hours and see what happens then. Just gonna get our luggage. The next flight's actually late, so I think we've got about 4.5 hours, but we'll see. Just figure out where we're gonna go. So, it said that my luggage is getting automatically done on the first one from Germany to Bangkok, and he said on here it says it's getting automatically done from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. So all we've got to do is wait to the Chiang Mai, which is said down there, Chiang Mai. Visa's free, so we just find where Chiang Mai is and get a bite to eat, I think. Burger King, no idea what I really bought apart from a burger and chips and some full fat Coke. No idea how much it actually costs because I was paid in baht. We can't get Wi-Fi, we've got no internet. Well, we can get Wi-Fi, but I don't trust it. So we've got no internet at the moment. Full fat Coke. And I think we've got about 3 hours, so I'm not too sure what to do. A burger. What this waffle's like. Nice. Double. So we've got another coffee. We've got 2.5 hours until we've been up for 24 hours straight. Security's just on the left of us. We just smashed this because I didn't realise we had to go through security again. We'll just get another one on the other side. Currently just in the hangar. And so far so good. We've got 2 meals, 2 like lunch and breakfast, or tea on breakfast on the plane was pretty good. That was quite interesting. I'd never had anything like that. You got free pillow and a quilt. Watched 3 films, done some editing. Obviously, we kept having some internet up there, but I couldn't airdrop videos, so that was a pain in the ass. It took ages. But jumping on different planes is actually quite easy. A lot easier than I imagined. It's only on the second airport we had a lot of walking to do. But if most airports are like this, then it's a piece of cake.
Hopefully my luggage and suitcases on this plane. Pretty warm. Our suitcases here. Nice. Thank you.
แช่ไปขยะเอามาเลยค่ะเตรียมนี้
We are here. Nice, thank you. Could be it. Yeah. Nice. Can't wait to get into shorts and a cold shower. Number 8. This is the place. Awesome. Now, which part do we go in? I think I've got everything with me. Somewhere here. I think it could be in here. It looks like the pictures. I presume we just wait until someone comes. We're finally here. No problems really, apart from internet. 300 baht, which was about a 15-minute drive, which I have no idea what 300 baht is. Let's take a look. Oh. So we were a bit early. We're going to wait until the man comes to let us in, show us around, give us Wi-Fi, because we downloaded offline maps, but we haven't actually downloaded one for Chiang Mai, which I thought I did, unless I didn't have a signal at the time. So that's the first thing on our list. Then have a shower, organise the clothes and all that, and a setup with a screen. Make sure we've not left anything. And yeah, collect our, well I say collect the force, there's not really enough to collect. But no, there's a roof part, so we'll chill up there for a little bit, get some water, and then kind of, I don't know, kind of free at our own will. There's some tasks we'll do, just because I'm knocking them off. So we're going to do all them first, have a cold shower, and once we've got a load of wins in, just make up for lost time, we'll ring O2, get Wi-Fi internet working, and then we should be golden. So we are at least half hour early from the last message, but we've got no Wi-Fi, so I can't update him. Put my stuff in there. I went to look for a shop. There is a shop around the corner, so I come back just to keep things safe. I'll grab my bag, but it's now locked. So my stuff's in there until someone comes. So you go into a 7-Eleven, bust out a drink, and chill outside for half an hour, and enjoy the warmth. Seen a 7-Eleven. Never been to a 7-Eleven. I presume it's just like an everything shop. It's around this corner. I'll treat myself to a full fat Coke again, man, because it's do with the energy. Over 24 hours you've not slept, so coffee and sugar is best. 7-Eleven. Nice. Here we are. What does 7-Eleven give us? Energy drinks. Do they do energy drinks? No idea. Do beers? Milk. I don't know what them things are. Actually, we'll get water. We shall get water. Most probably best if we get water.
That is 14 baht. Still have no idea what 14 baht is. We shall find out. I'm gonna get a list together. So 14 baht for a litre of water. Nice and cold. Now we should go back and wait. See if my stuff through goal. Just smells spices of some sort. Nice. Nice. Now just wait. Ah, yes. Yes. Hello. How you doing? Ah, nice and warm. You got bad foot? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So I'll take my shoes off. Yep. I can carry it. It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. So hurt your back or nothing. Ah, Jesus. Not good.
No,
Not good. Do you want me to carry that?
Yeah.
Well, I can carry that if you want. If it's saves you saves your back. If you want. It's a heavy boy. Yeah.
ขึ้นไปเปิดห้องสตูก่อนแต่อันนี้เธอปล่อยกระเป๋าเลยเธอปล่อยกระเป๋าขึ้นเลยปล่อยกระเป๋าขึ้นเลยเพื่อจะยกขึ้นไปเอง
I'm more than happy. Yeah, it's super heavy. 25 kilos. It's heavy for me. She was trying to carry it. Bless her. See her back and her foot. I think. Not too sure. Wow. Ah, perfect.
Yeah. Thailand very hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2. I want to take a photo. Passport.
Passport. Yeah. We have made it. Aircon machine, other aircon machine, fridge, kettle, microwave, wardrobe, sink. I guess you know what that is. Toilet, shower. Perfect. I didn't want anything too fancy. I didn't want one with a swimming pool. I just wanted just super basic. I nearly picked one sleeping on the floor, but this was like, I think £10 more with a bed, double bed. Oh, that's solid. That's solid. Man, that's literally like a piece of wood. Man, I do like hard beds, so that's good. So, a moment of truth. What is behind these curtains, you may ask? Nice. Haha, yes. Hopefully this is safe, doesn't snap off. I like it. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Super basic. Slightly high up. And there's one little extra thing we're going to check. Some steep steps. Nice. Ah, nice. Super simple. Perfect. So, we're here. Oh, it's warm.
The view. We have morning stretching, morning push-ups up here. Coffee up here. Oh, that's hot. Not bad. No, we would have gone past that room. Forgotten what room we're in. Fuck. I think it's this one. Yeah. That was a douche. Oh man. Made it. We have made it. Oh, I'm gonna unpack and chill for a little bit, man. Drink some water.